Withdrawing money from Gmail to your bank account is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. Follow this guide to successfully transfer your funds. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch the Gmail app or website and log into your account. Ensure that you have access to the email associated with the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Locate the payment. Find the email containing the payment you received. This will typically be a notification from Google Pay or a similar service indicating that money has been sent to you. Step 3. Access Google Pay. Click on the payment notification to open it. You may be redirected to Google Pay, where you can manage your transactions. If you don't have a Google Pay account, you will need to create one. Step 4. Link your bank account. In Google Pay, navigate to the Settings or Payment Methods section. Here, you will need to link your bank account by providing the necessary details such as your account number and routing number. Step 5. Withdraw funds. Once your bank account is linked, go back to the main interface of Google Pay. Select the option to transfer funds, choose your bank account, and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm the transaction to complete the process. Now you can enjoy the convenience of transferring money from Gmail to your bank account. If you have any issues, consult the help section of Google Pay for further assistance.